Day 65, Crown Zenith packs. Here we go. Alright. Oh, okay, what was it? So it's 1, 2, almost forgot. Forgot-a-ronies. Alrighty. Fist Energy. Rare Candy. Aaron. Friends and Sinnoh. Salandit. Purloin. Grubbin. Skrelp. Helioptile. Aaron Reverse. And Wailord code card. The next one up. Also, Happy New Year's. Forgot. I totally forgot. Pancham's first, but we gotta flip them. 1, 2, 3, 4. What does that mean? Uh-oh. Whatever. I don't think that's good, right? I don't know. V-Star. Fredzen Hisui. Carnivine. Wally. Panda Express. Snowrunt. Rockruff. Tangelope. Baltoy. And Luminion V. That's pretty cool art. Tauros. And that one. Code card. For those who want to look at it more. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. I like the silver border.